Okay, children, today we are about to do some science. Yes, Pako. I can't hold it, sir. Can I please use the bathroom? Yes, you can, but you need to hurry up very soon because the science is very important. I have now asked sir to use the bathroom and I'm now going to pull the fire alarm. Now that I'm going back to class 9 set until Mr. Perkins will find out. Mr. Perkins, what are we having right now? Pako, we are having a fire drill, so we better evacuate the building right now. Okay then, we have now all everyone out. Attention students and staff at Hardnox School. This is not a fire drill. Someone pulled a fire alarm and we can't tell you who did it. And it is now safe to go back into your classrooms. Thank you.